We do these festivals twice every year. Everybody gets on board, so Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Sony, Olympus, Panasonic, Blonde Robot, CR Kennedy. Everybody comes to the party and it always works out to be a really fantastic day.
We have people that are doing seminars upstairs and presentations. We have some professional videographers and photographers that are sharing their experience and really just giving everybody from the amateur to the prosumer to the professional a space and an area to be able to touch and have hands-on action with a lot of the gear that's being used right now.
The vendors are amazing. They always bring all the latest gear to check out and to play with. So there's always been like a lot of hands-on stuff, and yeah, it's always been fun.
What CameraPro's done is great, bringing all this together, all the brands, all the gear. You can try everything out. You can try different lenses. You can try different bodies. You can pick it up and feel it. You can't just walk into a shop and do that normally. It's pretty special, I think.
The awesome thing is we've got so much space, so we can have everybody in the showroom for the day, and it gives our customers a really awesome opportunity to get all of the gear out of the cabinets, get hands-on, ask the reps any questions that they may have.
I really enjoy coming to stuff like this because it is just so friendly.
It's really important for us at CameraPro that we've got a really strong community and that we're here for the photographer and videographer customer base.
I continue to come back here because I know I'm always going to get looked after here.
I try and tell people, go to these guys. They're not going to push anything on you. They're going to help you, and that's why I come back.